Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Geeky Chef's World. Today we are going to make creamy garlic penne pasta. Sorry, a veg version of creamy garlic penne pasta. So, let's begin. To make this pasta, let's see what all ingredients do we need, and you can also find it in the description below.
Let's go.
So this was your creamy garlic penne pasta. Hope you all like it. Share your views about it. You can follow me on Instagram and find me on Facebook. Make everyone eat this recipe and let me know if there any variation that you make in the comment section below. Also let me know what you want to see in my videos next. This is Geeky Chef signing off. Eat healthy, stay healthy.